Today we are going to flower by our company's products. First of all, we fold half, make 4 pieces of small. We have to cut whatever the folding line, you just cut. Okay, this is our string. So 1 for you, 1 for me.
Yay.
Like 1 inch wide.
This.
And then flip over like a zigzag. The squeeze center part, squeeze, yeah, and the tie. Before we open, because this is a flat, have no fun. The petal with a round shape or triangular. So you make a choice. We open the fan. Okay, right now we flip the tissue paper gently and push each single petal towards the center. Voila la! We have one flower here, right? Yeah.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun making flowers. Bye bye.
Everything you need to celebrate. This is FLOMO.